Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone that watching this video. Today, I want to present to you the chapter 7 of Mgt300 presentation about storing organizational information database. Before I started, I'm going to present to you about myself. My name is Aiman Haiqal bin Hasmusyadi. My matric ID is 2021131133 and my group is MBA 11138. The table of content in this chapter is learning outcome, database, fundamental concepts including the relational database model, advantage of relational database model, database management system, data-driven websites, integrating information among multiple databases, and summary of database. For the first topic is about learning outcome. Number 1 is define the fundamental concept of the relational database model. Number 2, evaluate the advantage of the relational database model. Compare operational integrity constraints and business critical integrity constraints. Describe the benefit of a data-driven website. And lastly, describe the two primary methods for integrating information across multiple databases. Database model. Information is everywhere in an organization. Information is stored in database. Database maintain information about various types of objects, inventory, events, people, and place. Database model include hierarchical database model. Information is organized into a tree-like structure using parent-child relationship in such a way that it cannot have too many relationships. Number 2, network database model, a flexible way of representing objects and their relationship. Lastly, relational database model is store information in the form of logically related two-dimensional. Fundamental concepts include in the relational database model including entity, foreign key, primary key, and attribute. Advantage of relational database model increase flexibility, increase scalability and performance, reduce information redundancy, increase information integrity, quality, relational integrity constraint, business critical integrity constraints. Lastly, increase information security. Data-driven websites. Data-driven website is an interactive website, kept constantly updated and relevant to the needs of its customer through the use of a database. Furthermore, data-driven websites are especially useful when the site offers a great deal of information, product, or service. A data-driven website invites visitors to select and view what they are interested in by asserting a query, which the website then analyzes and custom-builds a web page in real time that satisfies the query. The figure displays a Wikipedia user querying business intelligence and the database sending back the appropriate web page that satisfies the user request. Data-driven website advantages including development, content management, future expandability, minimizing human error, cutting production and update costs, more efficient and improved stability. Integration allows separate systems to communicate directly with each other. There are two types of integration. Number 1, forward and backward integration. Number 2, a central repository. There are benefits on integrating information among multiple databases. One of the biggest benefits of the integration is that the organization only have to enter information into the system once and it's automatically sent to all the other systems throughout the organization. Without integration, an organization will have to enter information into every single marketing that requires the information from sales to billings and customer service. This feature alone creates huge advantage for organization because it reduces information redundancy and ensures accuracy and completeness. Entering the same customer information into multiple systems redundant and chance of making a mistake is one of the systems is high. For example, customer information will have to be manually entered into the marketing, sales, ordering, inventory, billing, and shipping database. Each of these systems are separate and will have their own database if the company doesn't have a complete ERP installed. Integration offers many advantages, but for the most part, the automated flow of information among separate systems is the biggest benefit. Information among multiple databases is forward integration. take information entered into a given system and send it automatically to all downstream steam and process. Backward integration. The information entered into a given system and send it automatically to all upstream system and process. Building a central repository specifically for integrate information. This figure displays an example of customer information integrate using this method. User can create, read, update, and delete in the main customer repository and is automatically sent to all of other database. Business critical integrity constraints will need to be built to ensure information is only ever entered into the customer repository, otherwise the information will become out of sync. This method does not follow the business process when building the integrity summary of database. Define the fundamental concept of the relational database model. Evaluate the advantage of the relational database model. Finally, compare operational integrity constraint and business critical integrity constraint.